Hey guys, today I worked on a WhatsApp integration into the CRM that has an automation, so automated messages. So just click here, maybe they're on their website and they have a question. Here, continue to chat. It's going to say, send the question out. Now that automation is going to automatically fire off and say, okay, I can help you. Hold on 1 second. Here it comes. It should anyways. Okay, what do you want to do? Schedule an appointment, ask a question on your house, blah, blah, blah. Let's say you want to schedule an appointment right there. Just that person clicks number one, and then it's going to fire off the automation again, sending a link to your calendar so that they can get more information, or maybe a Zoom meeting or something. Select the calendar here. Now here goes the calendar. Now this is integrated with your Outlook, Gmail calendar, all types of stuff. Selects what day you have available, time slots available in the time. Now I can even program it if it's a paid meeting. Now they're going to get a Zoom meeting or whatever you select. And we also, on top of that, I also have it in SMS. Now SMS I integrated with ChatGPT. So let's say that instead of scheduling an appointment, we go has a buyer question, okay? So buyer question number 2. Now this one's integrated with ChatGPT, so it can get a little bit more complex. Watch this. So it says, Alan, please explain your real estate buyer question in much detail as possible. So let's type something. So as I mentioned, I integrated with ChatGPT. So we can have what is the title policy? How much is it? Who pays for it? And do I need it? This is really based on a real estate company, my own real estate company in Texas. So just click enter. So that text message comes back into the automation system. It goes to ChatGPT, gets the answer in a certain tone, style, and perspective as a real estate broker, staying within the Texas law because we're using ChatGPT. So now that didn't work. Oh, here it goes. I'm sorry. I thought that was like, it didn't work. So go to the bottom. How much is it? A title policy, insurance policy is clear, blah, blah, blah. In Texas, the buyer pays for it. Highly recommended protection. Costs vary. And it asks at the end, do you have any more questions? Yes or no. So we can click yes and say it's gonna loop back. They have 5 times to submit questions, because these things cost money. So we don't want to be just, somebody out there just playing around. They can go to ChatGPT direct. Alex, please select. Okay, so let's do it again. So once again, we're going to the complex question. What is the survey? How much is it? How long does it take? And who pays for it? And any recommendations? Once again, this SMS is going to the automation system, which checks into ChatGPT and gives it as a nice answer, staying within state law. So let's go over here, send that out. Hold on, I should wait. It takes about a few seconds. Alrighty, there goes the survey. Maps out of property boundaries, improvements. Costs are 400 to 700. Could take 1 to 2 weeks. Buyer or seller negotiation. It's answering all of the questions. And look at the end. Reply yes or no if you have any other questions. And in this case, we're going to pull it no and see what happens there. No, we are done for that. So let's go here. And remember, I can program any questions you like to fit your style, your perspective, whatever you're selling, your services, your products, integrated with all your products in your Shopify or whatever the case may be. So let's go back here, and it keeps on scrolling at the bottom. So, thank you so much. Recognizes the name for the person. The real estate purchase. Keep us in mind for any real estate referrals. Blah, blah, and signed your name. Cool little automations. I can do it for, right now we had it for SMS, text messages, and WhatsApp, emails, or even your email newsletter, Facebook and Instagram, even comments on Facebook and Instagram posts. So want to learn more? Check us out. I'm going to do a free AI meeting, whether you come in person to check me out in Canggu in Bali, or we can do a Zoom meeting. So I'm going to put the link below, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it. It's just my way of getting to know you guys and paying it forward. See you on the next one.
Want to learn more? Join my free AI training at ai.firewireads.com. That's ai.firewireads.com.